Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Padmaya. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower rose. You can use it as a clip also. This I used the cotton yarn 100% ones. It's really very nice and very easy. So let's start doing it. Today I'm going to use this off-white color and I'm going to use little bit of this red. The foundation chain, and I'm going to do 60 chain of this. You can make multiple of 10s. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you can make another 50 and I'll be back with you. I have made 60 chain. Okay. Now after doing 60 chain, you just make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3. So this will be the first double crochet into the 1, 2, 3. So this is the fourth one. You make a second double crochet here. So now here into this. Okay, take a yarn, insert the hook here, grab the yarn out, hold it this way here with these 2 fingers, pull through 2. So there are again 2 loops here, again pull through 2 loops. Again take a yarn, insert the hook, bring the yarn out, so now there is three loops, pull through 2 loops, again pull through 2 loops. Okay. So now including these 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so this is the 6th one. So in the same way you can make 60 double crochet on all the each and every chain. So you make 60 chain. I'll be back after that. Okay, now I have finished doing this 60 double crochets. Okay, so now after this you make 1 chain and turn it. So after making this chain, turning it, you just make 1 single crochet here, and now we'll be doing a double crochet. Skip this and do 1 double crochet here. Okay, so this is 1 double crochet. So in the same way you have to make 7 double crochet in this. So altogether 8 double crochet in the same space. Take a yarn, insert it, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Take a yarn, insert, bring the yarn out, pull through 2 and again pull through 2. So now I made 3. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6, 7 and 8. Okay, a single crochet, 8 double crochet in the same space, and next skip one and a single crochet here. So now this is the first petal. It is looking like a scallop. This is called a scallop design. So this is the first petal. Okay, in the same way you have to do it. You have to do 15 petals. So after this one you have to skip one and again do 8 double crochet here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay, so again skip one and a single crochet into the next. So this is the second petal. So you continue doing it until here, until you get 15 petals. Okay, see, now I finished 15 petals. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there is one stitch remaining here. Just skip this and just make one single crochet here. Okay, and just close it up. Now what I am showing you is, in this flower I have made one extra line, a single crochet on top of this. I have taken a back loop in this. Now I finished doing this 15 petals from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, if you want a rose to be this way, you can finish it here and start rolling it this way. See? But what I am going to do is, I am adding one more line for this. Okay, I ended it here. I am just adding a yarn here. And make a chain, single crochet in the same. So now there are 8 double crochet here, so you make 8 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And so this is the 9th one. This is single crochet. So in the same way you go on doing single crochet on all the stitches until the end, and I'll be back after doing that. Okay. Okay, see, now I finished doing this line. I have made one line extra for this. So now you can roll it this way, okay. And you have to stitch it here from behind. What I am going to do is I am going to roll it from the reverse side. So this is the proper one. So this is the reverse part. I will start rolling it from the reverse part. This will give you a different shape. Okay, see? Make it this way. See? Now we'll be going to do this leaf. It is very easy. I'm going to show you how to make the leaf. Okay, I'll do the leaf with this green color. Make a slip knot. Okay, and make 6 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After 6, you just join it. Okay, now make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3. Take a yarn and make 14 double crochet. So now including these 3 chain, now this is 2 double crochet. This is the third one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and this is 14. Okay, now make 3 chain. 1, 2 and 3 and just join it on the first chain just make a slip stitch. So this is a picot here. Now again make another 14 double crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, now see, this is the shape of the leaf. You can just stitch it with a needle anywhere behind the flower. See, you can put the clip here and you can remove the clip and put it to other one also. You can keep exchanging it. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and subscribe.